Right.
Okay, then stop acting like I'm some ditzy, clumsy fool. It was an accident, and I didn't force you to get off the bus. And I didn't tell the bus driver to leave you. And ever since then, all I have tried to do is whatever it takes to just get us back to our lives.
Let's stop here. I'm thirsty.
Well, I really think that we should save the money that you have.
Not at the risk of getting dehydrated. Plus, I need to see if my cards work.
Okay, well, I'm doing the math in my head, and we're not going to have enough money if your cards don't work.
Cross fingers. Hi, 4 orders, please. No. Worth a shot. Alright, just 2. I have a little left. Enough until my cards get fixed. Thank you. Should I get one of those?
Yeah. Thanks.
Excuse me.
What?
I think that guy just took my wallet.
What?
That guy just took my wallet! Hey!
Wait. Did you throw it away?
I don't know. Great. Trip just keeps getting better.
Okay, well, the joke's on him. You didn't have almost any cash in your wallet, and I mean, your cards don't work, so.
Yeah. Until later today when we could really use them.
Hey, Dad, it'll be okay.